welcome to Love Belly Dance, my fundamental Oriental style belly dance vocabulary series. I'm going to teach you the basic Arabic. Now I learned this step as the basic Arabic, but if you follow the Salampur school, then they have a whole series of Arabic steps, and this one is a variation on this. It's referred to as the Arabic 4. But for today, we're going to refer to it as the basic Arabic. If you were to do this in an aerobics class, some kind of aerobic dance class, they might call it the rock step, where you rock your weight forward and back. So we're going to begin by transferring the weight into one foot, and we're going to touch the foot to the front, touch the foot to the back, touch the foot to the front, foot to the back. So a touch means no weight is placed on it. A step means placing weight on that foot. So now, in order to do the basic Arabic, we need to actually step. So we're going to step, and then we're going to step in place. And we're going to take that foot here, and we're going to take it back, and then step in place. So right now, I'm leading with my downstage leg here, the one that's closest to you. And that foot is going to step forward and step back. The upstage foot that's furthest from you is going to step in place. It's never going to go anywhere, it's just going to stay there. So this one goes forward, in place, back, in place. Forward, in place, back, in place. So let me do this towards you. Do it with the right foot. Forward with the right foot. Back with the right foot. And forward with the right foot. Back. And forward. And back. And forward. And let's try the other side. So forward, place, back, in place. This one goes forward, in place, back, in place. All right, from here, there's all kinds of things we can do. This is a very versatile step. So you can do it flat-footed, you can do it up on in releve on the balls of your feet, and depending on how it's performed and the music that it is danced to and what you layer it with, it can really take on a different personality. And so I could do a big hip movement with it, a hip bump. And it could be like really earthy, flat-footed, heavy. Or I could do the sharky step. So I've heard this called the sharky step when it's done this way, up on the balls of the feet in releve, adding a shimmy to it. The posture is very erect, very proper. And it might be performed like this as the sharky step, with a shimmy on top of